Do you want to optimize manufacturing productivity? A manufacturer's ability to communicate effectively across all levels of the business depends on its ability to develop and capitalize on a shared digital thread that runs through the whole manufacturing process, from design through planning to execution and beyond. The reality is that many manufacturers operate independently of one another, with little genuine collaboration between them. Because of this sequential process with manual handoffs, identification of manufacturing ability or other issues can occur too late. Engineering and production must work together to accommodate the complexities of highly customized products. Knowing how a redesign or reorganization of a product will affect output is crucial. Planning should start earlier with an improved collaboration process during product engineering. In addition, use simulation to verify further and validate your human and robotic operations. During that time, you will be able to check that the robot can safely travel between all designated stops without colliding with anything. To learn about cycle times, output, and human ergonomics, it is best to put the simulated assembly line through its paces. Once you have validated, more comprehensive work instructions should be developed and delivered to production to increase clarity. The solution for work instructions provides an integrated environment relating all product, process, resource, and plant information within a managed setting. A collaborative foundation will enable you to shift process planning and simulation upstream, ensuring that you can incorporate all manufacturing-related limitations at the earliest stages of product development.